Hello everyone, I am MPBhosaleiit. Today I am going to show you how to create a website in wordpress.com. For that we have to open a site wordpress.com. After opening this site, here we have two options. First is login and second is get started. Login option is used to log in with the existing website that we have created with the wordpress.com, and get started is for the beginner. Suppose we go for this option, that is get started. Here we have to choose the template for the site, whether we want to start with a blog, start with a website, start with a portfolio, or start with a online store. So here, as we have to create a website, we will start with the website. After this we have to select the theme for our website. So suppose here we are choosing 2070, then here we have to provide the keyword. For example, here I am providing FTP. It will show you the preferable website names that are free. Some names are specified which are includes premium, but here we will select a free name, for example ftp263.wordpress.com. The next step is to select a plan. First plan is start with a free and others are with some payment. So we'll start with free. Here we have to provide the email address. Now, as if you are a beginner, you can provide here email address and you can choose a password, and then you will be login. But as I have already login onto this wordpress.com and I have created a site, I have to log in now with the existing email address as a username and a password. So I will click on login now and I will just provide here the password and then click on login. Then again we have to go from first step. First start with the website, then select the theme. You can skip this step. Then you have to provide a name. Suppose here I am providing FTP. So here it will provide you ftp274.wordpress.com. Select this as it is a free. Then start with the free. Then say continue. So this is the template for our new website. Here is the slide title. Then you have to write your first block. Then you can specify something in the first block. Then you can add images, you can add some social media linkage, then some widget, and you have some menus like home, about, contact, where you can add your own information. So let's start with all this. Go to the my site, and here you have one option, customize. This option is available here also at the right hand bottom corner. So you can click on customize. Now here the first option is site identity. When you click on site identity, you can specify the site title. So suppose I am providing here FTP ICT. This is an example name, and the tagline is faculty development program. We have to click on save and publish. Then only the slide title and tagline will be saved. Then go to the back. You can change the color and the background. Suppose I want to set this color, so the color will be like this. If you want to select image, you can select the image from the gallery or library, or you can upload any file. For example, here I am selecting a file. Select say save and publish. So you can see that at the background the image is appeared, and on the image the site you can see. Now go again to the backward, then go to the fonts. Here you have default theme font. Suppose here I am selecting this font, so you can see that the site title is changed with this font. The base font you can select here, suppose CXO. This is for normal size. Then save back. Each time you have to click on save and publish so that it will save the settings or customization. The next is header image. Suppose if you want to add header image, then add new image. Suppose I am selecting here next another image. Say crop image. Okay, so here on the front page you can see the image. If you don't want this, then you can say hide image. Now go to the back, then go to the menus. Here you can add the menu and you can set the location for the menu. For example, in primary section we have already home, about and contact. You can either reorder it or you can add a new menu to the primary menu. These are home, about and contact, and we have some social links which are at the bottom of the website. These are the Twitter, Facebook like social media links, so that also we can reorder or change or add some new items to it, or you can delete also. Then we have content option, what you want to post or display on the website. So here we are displayed it, categories, tags, author and other things. You can enable it or disable it. Then we have widgets. Widgets are nothing but a small application where you can write something or you can specify something for another user. So sidebar, add widget. Suppose here I have to add video or something like text or some pages. Suppose I want to add video, then click on video. Here you can specify the video title. Suppose my video title is using ICT. Say add video. You can insert from URL, so here you can specify the URL. For example, suppose on YouTube, this address I will copy here and add to widget. So the video is added here. You can see here at the sidebar, using ICT is the title and video is added here. say save and publish. Go to the back. Suppose you want to add more widget, you can again do the same thing. Then go to the static front page, a static page, and your last post can display on your front page. Now if I want to edit the blog, go to the customize, suppose I want to customize this menu about, so click here. Say edit. Suppose I want to change this title, so suppose about me. Here you can add the text. This is me. If you want to add image, then you can also add the image from here. Insert special, add media, add from Google, or you can add any image. Say update. So suppose I go here about me. I can see here about me, this is me. Again say edit. Again you can edit this same page. If you want to edit contact, then go to the contact. This contact word you can change, or if you want to remove this, you can remove this, and you can change the information in the contact. Suppose this is my contact page, and say update. Now if you want to see how your website looks like, then you can select this button, and you can see that how your website look like. This video we have added. This is a contact page, this is about me page, and this is our home page. Now suppose I want to edit widget, then again go to the customize. Here, from here, click to edit this widget. We can click here, and here we can change the title of widget. Suppose new thing, and here you can add the text. This is my widget. Save and publish. Close.